Well, here we are. I'm sitting outside the courthouse getting ready to go in. This is my second hearing of the day, two different small claims trials. And so just a couple of takeaways I think that all of us can benefit from. Number one, and I've said this a bunch, and I think I'm going to always say it, but number one, make sure that your contracts are super clear. Make sure that the sides are communicating well. There's nothing that's more complicated, frankly, in small claims court than trying to unravel the agreement if, number one, you didn't have a written agreement, or number two, there were conflicting emails or text messages exchanged that made the contract a little bit confusing. So that's number one. And number two, make sure that your overall communication is clear and so that expectations are managed the right way. Sometimes what the contract says and what people believe it says are not the same thing. There are sometimes that it's important to have illustrations and examples of how a calculation for a security deposit might be handled. Sometimes it's helpful to have, frankly, have somebody else proofread your contract to make sure that they understand it and that any of the industry lingo is removed. It's important to make sure also that if you have specific terms that mean something specific, then you have to make sure that you outline what those terms mean. Legally, we call them defined terms, and they're usually words that are capitalized that aren't normally capitalized, like words in the middle of a sentence or something like that. So in a contract, often these appear either in parentheses or in quotations around them so that you indicate that, and they're capitalized terms. Make sure that those are clearly outlined, defined, understood, and again, the communication's clear. If you can handle that, I think 90% of our issues are resolved, or at least there isn't a dispute about what the agreement was. There's always going to be a dispute that somebody didn't live up to the terms, but let's at least not have the dispute be about what were the terms in the first place. Throughout the next month, I'm probably going to do a number of these on small claims court because it seems to be coming up more and more as the season warms up and everybody's getting excited and they're returning to stuff and doing stuff. I guess people like going to court now too. But if you have specific issues or questions that you want to have handled or addressed in one of these future videos, just reach out to me or shoot us a comment or give us a like or something like that. And share your thoughts, because we're more than happy to provide value. And it's helpful if that value is specifically answering one of your questions. Until next time, I'm Joshua with Irvine Legal.